Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn a new thing, that is I'm going to teach you how to do a Aari embroidering. Now this is Aari is a trending thing where I thought of teaching you that also in a very simple and easy way. So if you want to know how to purchase the stand, the ring and everything, for sure just leave a comment below and also like this video. Sure, I'll share that detail also. So these are the embroidery threads, okay, silk thread. So I'm just picking one out of that, and let me start showing you how to make this. So at the end you're going to add a knot to the silk thread. Okay, so now I'm just forming the knot by 2 or 3 times like such. So this is how it's going to look from the bottom. What I'm doing is, so I'm just placing the thread in between my fingers. I'm going to punch the fabric, and I'm going to bring the silk thread up like this. So let me show you once again. So I'm going to hold in between my fingers and punch the fabric and bring the thread up. So I'm taking my left hand underneath the stand, and this is the right hand. So I'm just taking out the thread like such, and so I'm making a chain stitch. Okay, so punch again and take the silk thread underneath, and you're going to make a small loops. So at the initial stage you can make a very big loop of like a chain stitch. Okay, so when you're getting into used to it, when you practice more, make sure you make a small chain stitch. Same like that, I'm just making a straight line like this. This is absolutely for beginners. So if you are trying to learn Aari design, and this is the base, and this is very important stitch that you have to learn when you're trying to learn Aari. Okay, for sure I'm going to show you the down part, what I'm doing at the down side of the Aari stand. Okay, let me make a close-up look. So this is how it's going to do. So take the needle out. The needle has a small bend at the top. Make sure you turn the needle and pull that thread out. So while pricking in the fabric, make sure that the head faces towards the stitch line that's opposite to you. And when you take out, whenever you see the head, make a turn, and you're going to pull the thread out like this. Okay, so again I'm going to punch in the needle. I'm just rolling my thread in, and whenever I see the head, I'm just making a small twist to the needle, and I'm taking out the thread. This is how it's going to make a nice loop. So you can see the thread is nice, smooth. If you want to stretch, you can stretch the thread as you like. Again, I'm punching it in. So as soon as I see the head, make a twist, small twist, and again you're going to pull that out. So this is a very small trick you're going to follow in Aari, where most of them won't teach you. This is a very useful trick. Whenever you see the head, turn and then pull. So in this way I'm making a long chain stitch. So this is a very basic stitch. First learn how to make a loops underneath and also a chain. So this is the close-up look of the underneath Aari stand. So what I'm doing is punching the needle, make a twist and pull that up. Very simple, very easy to make. It might find difficult at the first, but it's really easy to do. You'll be get more interested while doing this. So punch the needle, and you're going to twist the thread like this and pull that out. Okay, so punching the needle, I'm showing in a close-up way. So let me zoom that in, and also let me make a slow motion, punching the needle and twisting that and pulling that up. So you can see. So if you like this kind of video, if you want to learn more about the Aari design, first don't forget to subscribe my channel and also leave a thumbs up button below. Just click on that, and for sure I'll be uploading more designs like this, very simple and neat designs. Okay, this is the basic how to make a loop and how to make a chain stitch. Okay, in this way you make a beautiful stitch. So, and also if you want to know or how to fix the fabric in the frame, and also you want to know more about the stand and the thread, the needle, for sure again don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on the thumbs up button below, and if you have any doubts, leave in the comment section. Sure, I will reply to that. And this how you make a beautiful looks. Okay, and hope you like this video, and see you next time with a different kind of design. Till then, take care. Bye bye.